Hello everyone, Annette here with a card tutorial. I am taking part in the Pinkfresh Studio February Stamp, Die and Stencil release block hop. It is a wonderful release with amazing flower designs and some fun geometrical ones. I was working with the seamless-starburst-circles-stamp-set and the coordinating stencils. I use a Neenah white card base for blending. This set contains 6 stencils. I am using them in a row starting with number 1. I use some tape to secure the stencil to the card and then the stencil to the table. I use light colors and I want to color every circle with another colors. For the yellow circles I use Lemon Whip, Peach Fuzz and Coral Reef. For the blue ones I use Sky Blue, Slumber and Misty Coast. The pinks are Ballet Slipper, Soft Lilac and Warm Buff. I am blending really lightly, just a hint of color is enough to create a fun look, but this is only the base. I apply 3 layers on every circle, so 3 colors make 1 starburst. For the last layer, I use the darkest color of the 3 and this layer is the most saturated. I'm stamping with the coordinating stamp set to give more detail. And I stamped the blue circles with the seaside blue and the key lime on the greens and marigold on the yellow starburst. And bubblegum on the pinks. I made this process again, blending the starbursts, but with a more heavy hand, so the colors are more saturated, and I heat embossed the stamping lines with black sparkle embossing powder. I punched out the circles. I wanted to use the same size, but I don't have that punch, so they are smaller, but I think these little circles are so lovely. I arranged them and I adhered them with foam adhesive. I made my title using the mini-tags-with-fillable-words-die-set. I used my crocodile for attaching the little holographic tag. I made a second card using the Happy Birthday Sentiment stamp set and the coordinating dies. I used the fillable words for die cutting the words from the background. You can watch my photo tutorial to this card on my blog or in my Instagram stories as well. I hope you like my cards and my video. I'm happy about your comments and your questions, and please join me next time too. In the description box you can find all the links to the used products. And don't forget to hop along the block hop and see all the amazing projects the Pinkfresh girl made. See you soon, bye bye!